So here I'm gonna show you the box. Oh, sorry. Move it over. There we go. Let's see. It's a little, it's a big box. This is actually her picture on Shopee and also in Lazada. So unfortunately, she's no longer available in Lazada. I'm not sure why. But you can still purchase her on Shopee. So she has three types. She has the Lolita. This is the Lolita. There's also the trainer type, and then also the Christmas type. So let's open this baby up. He's so pretty. So she has a little instruction manual that I can't read, but some of the characters are actually, I guess, Japanese. I can see some Japanese characters. Sorry, I can't read it. I can't read. And here she is. She has a face protector. And this is her. Most of the OSTs that are really big are just like her. So yeah, pretty much yeah, pretty much that size. But I really like her since she's lightweight, and you can carry her easily. She's lightweight compared to Rozen, to be honest. So if you're looking for a cheaper alternative to BJDs, we have Monster High Doll, Monst High Doll, and we also have Shini. We also have Night Lolita. So there's actually a lot of alternatives. You just need to do your research on which doll would really suit your taste and her budget, because most of the time budget would really come second to your doll preference. Because to be honest, yeah, most of the BJDs are really, really not cheap, and having BJD hobbies really not cheap. So it's not bad to check on other alternatives that we have. So yeah, I guess that's pretty much it. Thanks for tuning my channel and checking my review for Monst High Doll. If ever that you wanted to purchase it, you can still purchase this on Shopee only, as I mentioned earlier, since it's no longer available on Lazada. Yeah, you won't be able to see this. So yeah, signing off. Thanks for watching.